Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of SAP Enterprise Content Management ECM by OpenText. In this today's sessions, we will be talking about the next use case, that is your how as an HRBP, HR business partner, you can approve the document via SuccessFactors directly. So in the previous session, we have seen directly in the document approval, but not directly from SuccessFactors. It's another way of doing it. So we will be seeing that in today's session. Okay. So now without any further ado, let me go to the system and we will see that a document approval via SuccessFactors, HR use case number 8. So let me go there. The use case via document approval by SuccessFactors. So I'll be logging in as a Tessa Walker HR, who is a HR business partner. And you can see, so for her, some tasks are pending in the top section, right? And if I go there, I can see there is an approval request is coming up, right? And I can see in the right hand side, there are some approve requests, right? So there are 4 approval requests. So let's see what are those. And you can see as soon as I click, I can see there are so many personal documents, information change for these employees is coming up. Okay. So these are a couple of scenarios where you, in case any kind of workflow request is coming up, you can always go here, and from SuccessFactors also, it will take you to those screen. So for JADA's request, so now as a Tessa worker, I will be seeing those documents and I have to verify whether it is correct or everything is missing. So these are different documents this person, Jada Baker, so she has uploaded, and I can either can approve again, delegate or send back whatever I require. And I can put a comment section here. Okay. So this is how, from a SuccessFactors point of view, this workflow will be looking like. And you can always, as an HRBP, you can go for those documents, verify whether that is correct or not. Then finally, in the overview page, once it is approved or rejected based on your, you will be able to see that in the workflow as well. Okay. So you can see this no longer pending. And if you want to see whether it is updated or not, you can go for that employee's Chada Baker's profile and go to her typical space, workspace, and you can verify that, right? So that is something you can do as usual. So this is, let me go further. Let me go down. Just refresh it. Chart BP. Let me refresh it. I think it got stuck. As usual, you will be going to this employee's file, and you should be able to see that somehow it is stuck. Let me try again. This is the approval request we have seen. This is the document which I have to approve as a HRVP. Then you can go to the profile page. Okay, I think it is getting stuck here only. Okay, anyway. But the same process you have to follow. You'll be able to see that for this employee, you can go and see her Dodger view, and in that you'll be able to see whether the document has been uploaded or not, right? So this is the use case number 8. Okay. So in this use case number 8, okay, we have to check it out. Okay, we have checked how it is HRBP. He or she can approve those documents and it will be working fine, right? So this is a use case which is from as an HRBP you can do. So we'll stop here. In the next session, we'll be talking about how as an HR you can also generate a document. Okay, so that will be a ninth use case we'll be talking about. And meanwhile, if you have missed any of the previous session, you watch them in the YouTube channel or in my platform. If you want to learn more about the configuration side of the implementation side of it, we will be discussing there more in details based on your subscription. So you have to take a subscription for here, school.successlabsacademy.com, and from that you can enroll for any of the programs of your choice, whether it's a 1 year plan or it's a 6 month plans or a 3 months plan, you can choose. Okay, so this is a way you will be learning further based on your interest, and these are all lifelong learning, and few of them actually are also timeline based. Okay, so with that note, we'll stop here, and in the next session we'll be talking about the ninth use case. Okay, that is your document generation using OpenText.